Hi guys, welcome to Smart Master. So today I'm gonna show you how to fix buzz sound in your microphone. So first click on start button, go to settings. Now click on system, again click on sound. Then we have to go to sound control panel. Then go to recording section. Now you have microphone. Right click on it and click on properties. Then go to enhancements tab. Maybe some of you don't have this tab, so go to a browser, type Realtek audio driver. Now you should go to the first one, PC audio code, high definition audio code software. Now you would get a screen like this. When scrolling down from it, you have 64 bits and 32 bits. If your computer is 64 bits, download 64 bits. If your computer is 32 bits, download 32 bits. After downloading it, you have enhancement tab. Now click on noise suppression, acoustic echo cancellation, and mono microphone, and select OK. After doing this setup, your microphone will be alright. So for many more videos, please subscribe and like my videos. Thank you.